What you looking at, though? Oh, yeah? What's up with my baby Hool, man? Tell Hool I love him, alright? Yeah? Is he alright? You must have felt my energy. You out here kicking it with me, huh? Yeah. You gonna be safe out here? Little birdie. You know Hool? Is you Hool, bro? Huh? What's up? That shit crazy, dog. I'm out here. That shit crazy. Look at the little bird. This motherfucker my baby. Look how we chilling, though. This nigga came chill with me. Let me touch him and everything. Yeah. Yeah. Now my spirit really right. My spirit right now. I'm sorry. So we been through a lot, huh? We been through so much. You came chill with your mans, with your boy. My boy, what's up, my boy? What's up? What's up? What's up, my boy? I should take you with me, my boy. I should take you with me, fam. You ain't even scared of my foot right there, huh? Oh, you gonna walk up on me? You coming up on me? What, nigga? What? What? My boy. My boy. My boy, you got that big chest, nigga. My boy, this is a close-up, huh? Yeah. For sure. Ooh. That's right. That's right. Straight up. Straight like that, my baby. I wonder if you was there, though. Did you fly by that night? Did you fly by that night they killed who? Or was you who? You stunned, boy. I like your coat. My boy, you fresh as fuck, nigga, and you a G, nigga. You a G, my baby. Look at you. Fresh as fuck. You fresh as fuck, fam. Pretty ass coat. Big old chest, standing strong. You ain't scared of shit, huh? You ain't scared, huh? Yeah, don't be scared. I like your coat. You fresh to death, my baby. You fresh to life. Boy, that bird don't give a that nigga a G with it. We out here, ain't we, baby? You heard that? You heard that? Yeah. So what's going on though? Oh yeah. You heard that car? Yeah. I think they was checking on me because I'm laying down here. They ain't stopped like you did though. Yeah. Uh-huh. My brother all right? Huh? Is it life after death? Huh? Are you all right? You okay? It's about to start raining. Got me out here in the rain with you, man, looking at your eyes and stuff, man. You got some pretty brown eyes. I like your eyes. Man, people don't even know the things that I be seeing in this world, man. When I be going through what I be going through, man. That's how I know it's something greater out there, man. I know it's a purpose for us. I know it's a purpose. I'm sorry. I see you don't like that. Okay, damn, you don't want me to touch you no more? Say that shit. What you turn your back on me for though? Come over here. Come here, man. Yeah, look at me. Come here. Come here. What you acting like that for? Shit, you wanna blow one? Huh? Shit, I ain't got no woods though. We'll smoke some though. Matter of fact, let me see if you just. I don't want to get you high. I want to get high though. But let's see if you want some crud. If you don't want the crud, I'ma smoke it. I'ma smoke it. Yeah. You wanna smoke one with me though? Huh? You wanna smoke a blunt with me? Oh, you look for that. I know you gotta be hool, nigga. If you look when I said let's smoke a blunt, baby. Let's see if I got a relo on me. Yes, you look. Oh, I ain't got no relo. We go smoke though. We definitely about to smoke. You wanna smoke a blunt? Yeah, look how you looking. You wanna smoke? Yeah, you wanna smoke, don't you? We go blow one, man, for you coming to kick it with me, man. I'm about to make it. You about to smoke something? We go smoke, my baby. Nigga, that's hool, nigga. This my nigga hool right here, nigga. Y'all got me fucked up, nigga. Y'all got me fucked up, nigga. I ain't even got no blunt, hool. I ain't got no relo, but we go smoke. Yeah, we go smoke. I don't even want to miss seeing you and shit. Still ain't got to see you, my boy. But maybe this you. It's gotta be you. You wanna smoke, right? You wanna blow one with me? Yeah. Fuck it, we go stuff it. We go stuff it, man. See you looking. I'm about to put it together though, man. We about to smoke. You go chill with me till we smoke. After that, man, I'm gonna be tripping harder, man. I'm about to go. I wanna take you with me. Glad you came to see me, though. My fucking feelings hurt. My fucking feelings hurt, man. And I appreciate you for coming. Motherfuckers already think I be going crazy, though. They don't even know. Oh, shit. My boy. My boy. What's up, my boy? My boy, what you doing? What you over there thinking about, my boy? Huh? Thinking about that wood in the air, huh? Yeah. I want you to talk to me now. Talk to me some more.